The Myelin app simplifying teacher-parent communication. The Myelin app is designed to help teachers maintain effective communication with parents through personalized messages. With just a few taps, teachers can send tailored updates on student progress, behavior, health, and achievements using ready-made templates available within the app. These templates are crafted to address various scenarios, making it effortless for teachers to keep parents informed and engaged in their child's educational journey. Whether sharing positive feedback, sending reminders, or issuing important alerts, the Myelin app ensures teachers can connect with parents in a meaningful and efficient way. How to use the Myelin app for messaging. Open the Myelin app. Launch the app on your device. Access the messaging feature. From the main menu, tap on the messaging option. Click on the Compose button in the top right corner. Choose the recipient. Select the student and class you wish to message. Multiple recipients can be chosen if needed. Select a ready-made template. Browse the available templates, categorized by scenarios like student progress, behavior updates, health alerts, and encouragement. Tap on the template that best fits the message you want to send. Personalize the message. Modify the template to include specific details about the student or situation. This personalization makes the message more relevant and impactful. Now double-check the message for accuracy. Once satisfied, tap the Send button. You will receive a notification confirming that the message has been successfully sent to the selected recipients. You can also check the message's response or received messages from the principal or students. Thank you for using the Myelin app. We hope this guide helps you navigate the messaging module with ease.